Hey everybody, it's New Year's Eve and I am getting ready for things that I have to do today, like I have to finish editing a video. I'm making vegan pigs in a blanket for NYE Craig's New Year's Eve party a little bit later tonight, and then I might head over to my brother's house. I'm making sourdough pancakes, so we're gonna see how those come out with my sourdough starter. Also, obviously, it's the last few hours of 2019, which also means it's the last few hours of the decade in the teens. We're moving on to the 20s, the roaring 20s. All right, so here's my batter that I made. Yes, I made batter, Zeke. We are cooking over here. Let's go in. Once it's all bubbled like that, it's time to flip. I just came up with this recipe on my own with this sourdough, and they came out really, really good. My sourdough bread right here. And I'm gonna be making pigs in the blanket, but they didn't have any of the dogs that I'm looking for, so we're gonna do it in sausage because we don't really have anything else to make them in. There they are, there's the pancakes. They came out really good. I just created this recipe really quick. So I think I'm gonna write it down and maybe we'll do a video for you guys in 2020. I just got an alert on my phone that says snow squall warning till 4:15, sudden whiteouts. It was accompanied by a very loud sound, as some of you guys have got these emergency things before, but I didn't make it to my camera in time to show you guys. So right now this is what it looks like outside the house. All rainy and muddy. And soon it will probably be all white. Yeah. You like this now? Toss a coin to your Zeke and also Indy. Ho 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 ho. Alright guys, it is coming down like it's actually not snow. This is hell. Look at that. It is hailing out right now. It is straight up hailing in the zombie apocalypse. It's not the zombie apocalypse, it's just normal life, but it's hailing out here. Look at that. I'm covered already. They weren't kidding. Whiteout conditions, it's not snow. Look at these little hail chunks. You can make a little icy with it. Look at me, I'm totally covered in hail. Thumbnail? Wow, that was fast. There's what it looks like now. And that's just in like 5 minutes. Back to the edit. Look at my hood. Is it rage? Rage in plants?
Yeah. You're getting a bath.
Hail and snow and cold going down my back. Toss a treat to your puppies. Okay, so the first batch of cookies for the party. This is leftover dough from the video I just made on these. I veganized the Michelle Obama winning cookies. Made it my own, and it's the vegan zombie winning cookies now. And we're making them for NYE Craig's party. So I got some dough over here for I'm making pigs in the blanket, so I'm making my famous crescent rolls. Ooh, we got Zeke outside. As always, we're running a little bit late. We have, this is the crescent roll dough that I made. This is, the recipe is right on my channel. It's really amazing, actually, but I'm doing pigs in a blanket with it. I gotta roll this out, and then we couldn't find any of the field roast hot dogs or even the mini field roast dogs, so we have the Tofurky original sausage. Tofurky makes really good products, and this is the Italian sausage. So instead of having hot dogs, we're gonna have sausage, so we're gonna deal with it. That's all I really need to do is just like this. I guess there's not gonna be that many people at Craig's party. My pizza cutter broke, so I have to improvise, but that's what we do over on this channel, is I'm always improvising. So I'm just gonna make these little triangles here. So I'm gonna make these pretty small, I'd say finger food, like that. It's like a thumb. And then I'm just gonna put it in the blanket, and we're just gonna roll it up. Boom, 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 just like that. And there's one pig in the blanket. I just showered and put new clothes on, and I got flour all over my pants. So tell me what you guys ate for New Year's Eve. Also today, my screen printers repopulated my site. So all 3 beanies are back on there. The aprons are there, the onesies are there, and some of the hoodies are there. The actual t-shirts are not there yet because that's a different process. So here's the pigs in the blanket. Normally I would brush a little bit of melted butter on top, but we're just gonna put them in. I was gonna make my sourdough. That's why I have this cast iron in there all heated up, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Here's my sourdough right now, and it needs a few more hours to proof up. But this is gonna come out really nice, just not tonight. I'll see you guys at the party. Okay, Andy, be a good boy. I'll see you next year. All right, we're at Craig's. I'm with Rachel. Just got food.
Thank you for this useless garbage.
Hey, Chris.
Uh-oh, there's someone here. Want some bloobs?
Oh my god, it's a zombie!
What's up, guys?
Just eating some bloobs,
Hey,
you know?
Bloobs?
It's traditional here in
Oh,
East
is it?
Syracuse to eat some blueberries on New Year's Eve.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
Now you know.
No, I know.
I don't remember what we did last
Have you ever had blueberries, Chris?
No?
They're pretty good. You should try them.
I haven't tried them at your house,
Oh.
but I tried them this morning.
Yes.
What do we got here?
Chili cheese dip.
So is this the party, just us?
Just you guys.
I like your sweater.
Yeah. But our Christmas party we had on the 21st. Probably
Yeah.
wasn't a whole lot of Christmas parties going on the 21st.
Next year we should have like the New Year's party on like December 12th or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I made these cookies. These are the
Oh,
ones.
wow. Oh, those are the Michelle Obama ones, huh?
Michelle Obama. Well, now they're vegan zombies.
Well, that'd be great for dipping in the hummus.
Look at that. They have all kinds of stuff in there, and they're. I mean, okay, but check out these.
Okay. Tara, you ready? Woo! Those are good. Nice and brown. Wow.
They're not hot dogs though.
Oh, really? Are they sausage?
They are sausage. Yep.
Okay. Tofurkey?
Yep.
I thought I recognized the shape.
Ooh, tofurkey.
I do is this the Italian ones?
Yes.
My favorite ones.
Well, you nailed it.
Those are
By
my
the
favorite
smell,
ones.
right?
No, actually just because I like them and I was hoping that. All right, so
Actually,
do
try
you
one.
want me to try
Yeah, go try one. I haven't.
Oh,
had
these
one.
are still warm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I couldn't come over early.
You're joking, right?
These are good.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Are you just saying? Let me see if he's.
No,
just
these are
saying that.
good.
I'm gonna see if he's just saying that. He's not just saying that.
These are real good.
These would be good even better if like there was something like ranch dip to dip it in, or something.
I can make some ranch real quick. Whip it up.
Or some kind of dip would be great.
All right, I could just go make some ranch. Let's go make some ranch.
We're gonna go make some ranch. Kara made a cheese ball. Right there. Check out the cookies. I should have made more of these. Fudge and peanut butter balls.
You guys, it's vegan ice.
Kara, you've outdone yourself this holiday season.
I'll try.
Look at that. This should be out there in Lord of the Rings on a campfire.
I feel like I'm either a Gryffindor or Ravenclaw. I can't decide. But they only had medium in Gryffindor, but not Ravenclaw.
Where'd you get it?
Merchoid. Merchoid.com.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, this is like a really nice sweater.
Let me see.
Yeah.
That's like the same material my
It's
tofurkey.
Tofurkey, yeah. They're both great sweaters.
Yeah.
Anyone want a peanut butter ball that's not chocolate covered?
No, we need chocolate.
Well, we have both.
This is a pepperoni
Oh my-
log from Bourbon and Wolf.
Whoa.
It's
The Troy one, not the Albany one.
It's like a New Year's Eve
Joey Bird,
miracle.
what's up, guys?
Yeah. Hey, and then I just brought Triscuits to go with the
Elmhurst, Joey Bourbon approved pepperoni.
You guys
Pepperoni.
came through.
We got some ranch, just whipped it up, and it's in just the right size container. And when you first dip in, you're gonna be very careful. These are good salt cookies.
Let's try it. Ready? Oops.
Oh well. They're pretty good.
And right here we have peanut brittle from Hercules Candies.
It's peanut brittle that doesn't have very much peanuts.
Okay. All right.
That's why they took it.
You
Otherwise
saw
they'd sell it.
my brother and his little daughter, my niece, they went to Hercules.
Yeah.
They did a video.
It was cool. I like that video. It's really cute. So I was just gonna dig into this chili cheese dip, and then Joseph said I should wait until the vlog is out. But this is cream cheese, chili from Trader Joe's, carrot caramelized onions all day, and a whole bag of Daya cheese. So hopefully I don't burn my taste buds off.
Do it.
It's good.
Is it hot, cold?
Thank you for stopping.
I know,
I know how to do it.
And that's gonna hit the table. You got it.
All right.
I'm a chef. I take things out of containers and I mix
Ready
them
for the
together.
trifecta?
That's good.
Cracker, Their pepperoni log.
Makes it even better.
And you made another nut log.
You ready for the Cinquenta Acta?
The nut
that?
log.
That is a pigs in the blanket.
Sorry, nothing.
I gotta get a video of you doing this.
Oh man. All right, here we go. I gotta take
I
that.
don't recommend.
All right, we'll grab the small one.
So.
We'll grab one of these. We'll grab one of these.
I just saw it falling there. I'm like,
Oh man, stacking everything.
Oh no, we're stacking it.
whoa.
Oh no, don't look.
Don't worry, we'll vacuum.
Don't look at me.
Like that. Something like that. Ready? Here we go.
Oh.
Oh man, I'm making them up.
That's okay. It's a tablecloth.
How can I do this?
Just shove it in.
Wow, that is a sandwich right there.
Oh, it's really good.
It's like a Whopper.
Now you gotta dip it in ranch, Chris.
Oh yeah, I gotta dip it in.
And then batter it and deep fry it.
We're gonna all try the cookies I made.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, we're gonna get brainwashed.
Alright, we'll do it. 3, 2, 1. Are we? Yeah, cheers. Oh, you're good.
Soft and delicious.
It tastes a little bit of mint.
This tastes very good.
There's mint
A little
chocolate,
bit.
regular chocolate, and white chocolate.
Maybe I need
Which
to
is
get
hard to
mint.
find vegan.
Look,
I found the white chocolate at Wegmans.
I think I just got all regular chocolate. I think. Well, and there's a white chocolate.
I would have to say these are mad good.
These are very good.
Phenomenal.
I'll eat these. I can eat a lot of these.
I don't like
Yeah.
That's what you said in the last video. How was
I
it?
didn't even get a
It's
lot.
amazing.
There, that's the one I was talking about. Dungeons and Dragon music in, some fire and wind crackling. Toss a coin to your wind.
Hell yeah. Oh, valley of plenty. Oh.
I was singing that all last night to my
Stuck
dog.
in my
I
head.
literally just beat Witcher 3 yesterday.
Wait, so there's like.
Oh! It is the new year.
It is. Well, in a little bit.
In a little bit.
Miss it?
It is time to depart.
So you can make it in time for next party.
Yeah, I gotta go to the next party. Party number 2.
group picture.
See ya.
See you next year.
See ya. See you guys all next time. All right, we're at party number 2. I hope they didn't fall asleep. Here they come. All right, guys, we're at party number 2.
This isn't really a party.
This is a pretty like.
It's not a party. It's just Brian and Mary.
Yeah.
Where'd Mom and Dad go?
They left.
Your dad wanted to go home.
Oh, is he being a party pooper?
Yeah, that's it. But he was actually dancing with. I'm working on my YouTube channel. I'm trying to. I got hours before I can turn it into a non-kid channel.
I think you should make your own music, like John does.
Dude, I barely have time to do this. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, is it supposed to be active?
You could do something real quick in GarageBand.
You're supposed to
Yeah.
go around and find all these.
So do you have a new
like,
video
do all
that
these
you're about to
tabs and
upload?
stuff and talk.
No, not right now. Well, I had a cookie one from Christmas, but I didn't get it up in time. I don't know if I'm going to do it now.
Oh.
And then we just did a real quick one tonight.
Kind of make it more about you two raising vegan kids. You know?
Hey guys, if we change our name, what should we change our name to?
They want to change the name of their channel so it's not kid theme, it's less kid theme, although, you know, Katie's still going to be in it and so is Charlotte, but they want to come at it as an angle so they're not getting, you know, screwed over by YouTube. Although Katie always does need a napkin, so that's always going to remain true till she gets a little older. In the comments below, let them know what they could change the name of their channel to. I mean, that's basically the theme. Is vegan parenting. So Mary was playing Just Dance and they forgot that the pizza was in the oven. It looks good, but it's hard as a rock.
Yeah.
And we got, that must be the chicken wing dip.
Yeah.
And we have another pizza and it looks like somebody got to that one. Hi there, Max.
She's got so much energy.
Oh, there's just a couple more minutes left of the teens. We're almost out of the decade going into the 20s. Seems weird because I thought of the 20s as something totally different. But we're back. We're back here at the 20s.
Oh, so they don't think we're bad parents. Tell them she just woke up.
Maybe we were too loud. I don't know. She woke
She's
up.
got the hiccups.
Hey, you look like your sister. Yeah, you got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. She got the hiccups. She got the hiccups.
I'm Barbara Walters, and this is 2020.
It's really gonna be 2020.
2020. This is 2020.
It is.
Welcome to 2020.
Of course, my camera has to act up on me, and the memory card's not being read anymore. So we switched over to my phone. So sorry if the quality diminished a little bit there. I'm in my brother's house, and we're about to watch the ball drop. We have 26 seconds left, and then it's going to be 2020. It's going to be 2020.
2020. She woke up on her own.
She did. Yeah.
She's wide awake. So we thought we'd bring her down for the ball to drop. Here we go.
Here we go. 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year 2020.
Happy New Year.
We made it.
Happy 2020. The roaring 20s.
Happy 2020. Happy 2020, Rachel.
Happy New Year.
Look at that.
Happy 2020, everyone. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in 2021.
No, we'll see you before that. Have a good New Year. That's the first time I saw him this year. That's the first time seeing my puppy all year. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Yes, 2020! You missed me! Did you miss me? There he is. There's Trouble McGee. Trouble Magoo. Trouble Magoober.